In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Find and Replace feature in your text editor seamlessly. Knowing how to do this efficiently can save you a lot of time, especially if you're dealing with lengthy documents or need to make consistent changes throughout your text. Let's go through a couple of simple methods to access this handy tool, which is perfect for swiftly finding and updating specific words or phrases. First up, the quickest way to get started is by using a keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, all you have to do is press Ctrl H together. This combination directly opens the Find and Replace dialog box, smoothing the way for you to make your necessary text edits. The dialog box will pop up, ready for you to input the text you're on the lookout for, and even better, let you type in the replacement text that will take its place. This shortcut is a favorite among many users because of its speed and ease, eliminating the need to click around with your mouse. If you prefer a more visual approach, there's another method you can use that's just as effective. Start by navigating to the top of your screen to find the Home tab. Once you're there, take a look at the various options available, especially focusing on a section known as the Editing group. Within that group, you'll notice the Replace option. Clicking on this brings up the same Find and Replace dialog box as the keyboard shortcut, offering you the exact functionalities to search and substitute text in your document step by step. These two methods, while ultimately achieving the same result, offer flexibility based on your working preferences. If you're sitting at your desk, fingers ready on the keyboard, and perhaps not wanting to disrupt your flow, using the Ctrl H shortcut might be more your speed. On the other hand, if you're taking your time to go through menu options and prefer clicking through, navigating via the Home tab may feel more natural. It's worth noting that the Find and Replace tool is quite powerful. It allows for whole words and exact matches, all customizable to fit your specific needs. Exploring the advanced options within the dialog box can also offer more targeted replacements and can save you even more time in making sure your document is just the way you want it. And there you have it, two simple methods to access Find and Replace in your text editor. Whether you favor keyboard shortcuts or menu navigation, you're now equipped to enhance your editing efficiency. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tricks.